In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit signature on AOL Mail. Editing signatures on AOL Mail account is a straightforward process, so let's dive into the video. Simply open the AOL Mail application from your app drawer and log into your account. Or you can also go and visit mail.aol.com on a web browser and log in. Once you're logged into your account, from the main home page, tap on the AOL logo at the top left corner. Now, select Settings and Privacy options from the list. Scroll down and tap on the Signature option under General. Now, you can go ahead and make necessary edits for your signature. You can edit and customize your signature according to your need. After you are done, you can now get back, and that is how you can edit your signature on AOL. To ensure that your signature appears correctly, you can start composing a new email. So that is how you will be able to change your signature on AOL Mail using the AOL Mail application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.